I want to do something which is so crazy. What? Well, okay. The video you're seeing ahead, um, is this thing called insect. Is a spider an insect? Yes, it is an insect. Now, there's something funny about the spiders. Yes, there's something funny about the spiders. This spider has been here for the last 2 days. And now I want to take it like a game and I want to see how long it can stay here. Yesterday, the face was on the other side, but today the face it's facing differently. Same place. It's like it has not moved at all. But I want to do a research. This is a day one of it. Let me zoom it. This day one of it, this spider has been in this place for quite a long time. But now the same place, it has stayed there for 2 days. It just keep turning its face, is it face or its head in different direction. So today is day one. I want to study it and I want to see how it goes. Today is day one. I looked at it in the morning hours and it was very tiny, very small. But right now, it has grown big. Suddenly, it has just grown big. I want to try and see how long it can stay there. Tomorrow, if I don't find it there, I don't know where it's going to be, but I'll try my best to look for it. But it is, I don't know. What does it feed on? What do spiders feed on? Scientists, tell me and let me know. What does this spider feed on? Let me move far away. So there it is. I'm only capturing the spider itself because it is in the wall next to this bed over here. And even as we talk, it's not even moving, it's not even shifting, it's not even, it's like it's dead, but it is not dead. So I want to give it time and see how long it can stay over there. So today is day one, we are studying it. Maybe tomorrow, if it won't be there. But I've been so amazed and I'm wondering, hey, what does it feed on? And how does it survive? Do these kind of animals, insect is an animal, yeah. Do this kind of animals survive without food and water? How long can they stay? What do they feed on? Scientists, tell me. If you're a scientist and you're watching this thing, please tell me, because I've seen several spiders and I don't know, I don't like killing spiders. I wish I could just chase it and it goes away. But then the bite of spider, tell me, how dangerous is it? If you're a scientist out there, how dangerous is a spider? Because there was a time I was bitten by a spider. I didn't see it biting me, but there was a time I was bitten by a spider. And I really don't know. I don't know. I went to the hospital and I was feeling a lot of headache and I was feeling itchy somewhere at my back. And I tried talking to the doctor and the doctor told me this is a spider bite and that is why you're feeling headache. I was feeling headache, like I was feeling like vomiting, like someone who has malaria or something. But then the doctor told me that is a spider bite. And I'm wondering how dangerous these things are. So if you're out there and you know how dangerous spider is, let me know in the comment section. And also I want to do a research about it, because this thing, I don't know what it feeds on. I don't know whether if it bites somebody, it leaves the poison and feed on what, I don't know. I really don't know. So I also want to do my research about it, but this one has amazed me because for the last 3 days it has been here. 2 days, not three. For the last 2 days it has been here, just changing position, changing, turning his head upside down, and doesn't go away, doesn't. So let's see if tomorrow it will still be here. I'll let you know, guys. So if you know more about spiders, let me know. If you know about animals, let me know, because it's just I don't know. Guys, comment down below and let me know. But tomorrow I'll be doing another research on the same spider. If it still remains here tomorrow again, I'll let you know. Right now the time is 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. But I'll let you know how tomorrow, where it will be. If it won't be here by tomorrow, I'll let you guys know. So I want to wait, maybe give it hours and then come back and see what is happening. If it will move, well and good. Guys, I thought it was an easy thing. I thought looking for this thing is going to be an easy thing. So there's a research which has already been done about the spiders. And for those people who have written it out there, I am just lucky, but still I'll dig deep into it. It is something which needs more research, because I've just gone to my Google, and what Google has told me about spiders has even scared me even more, because going through and reading this thing is just I thought it was going to be an easy task, but then I've learned a lot. I've learned something new about spiders, and I'm putting them into writing. I'm putting them down in writing. And one thing which Google has told me is spider is a predatory eight-legged invertebrate. Predatory eight-legged invertebrate belonging to the class Arachda something, which is characterized by two body segments. No wings, that is what Google says. No wings, but it has the ability to produce silk from what have I even written? Spinneret, okay, yes, Spinneret. Found okay, what Google is trying also to say is that spiders are found all over the world, like it is there worldwide, and they are key predators that use venom to subdue prey. You know, when somebody talks about venom, you just shiver, and you know what venoms do to the body. Like, normally what comes into our minds, or personally in my mind, when somebody talks about venom, I know it is snake. Automatically, that is the first thing which rings into my mind, that it is a snake which has venom. So I'm learning new things. So spider also has venom. So it uses the venom to subdue prey. And the prey are mostly insects. That is what spiders feed on, as they say. That is what Google says, that spider feeds on insect and are vital to ecosystem balance. So I'm even wondering, okay, how? Let me keep doing research more, and I'll let you know, guys. But as I had asked before, you know, it's also good to jump into some other things and ask yourself so many things. So when I did the Google and was asking myself if there are different types of spiders, hey, Guys, trust me, I've just found millions of them. There's so many. Like if you look down there, there's so many different types of spiders. So I was just this is just googling and wanted to know more about spiders. So there's so many. There are different types of spiders. I don't know how many they are, different species of spiders, but I will do my research on that one. And one also thing which has even shocked me is when you go to key characteristics and the biological part of it, you find out that spiders have 8 eyes. What are those eyes? Because that is what it says. Anatomy says spider possess 8 legs. Those words, the science terminologies, I'll jump them, but I'll put them down in writing, maybe somewhere down there. And then they say it has my eyes, I need my specs. Pedipalps for sensing, and usually has 8 simple eyes. What does that mean really? Does that mean spiders have 8 eyes like the way it has 8 legs? I really don't know, but scientists, man, you need to do more research about this one and let me know about it. As I read about spiders, I'm feeling like it's sending a shiver. Is it really shiver or that fear of spider in me? Because some are like, God Almighty. Look at the way they look. What have I done? What have I done? Let's go back. No, you can't do this to me. Okay, on top there, you can see the 3 of them. The one which scares me. No, actually, there are how many? 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see 5 of them, but the one which scares me the most is this one. That one. That one. Yes. Oh, God. These other ones look a bit friendly with no... this one called wolf spider. Wolves. Hey, woo. Yeah, I want to look for that one. That is my first spider to look into. So how wolves, spiders, call it the way you can call it, but wolves, spiders, they look this way. In Kenya, we can say manyoa, but this is how they look. Like if they are hairy or something. Especially the first two, no, the second one, the one which is in green. Oh God, I need to do a research more about these spiders. Where I thought it was going to be an easy thing to do. I thought it was going to be an easy research to do. I wonder how people will hold spiders and let spider walk on them. You know those movies, those series which you watch, or not even series, those documentaries you watch and somebody takes a spider and it allows spiders to move from his hand or a hand. God, they don't even fear to be bitten by spider. I think I'm going to do more research on this thing, guys. Just hold on where you are and let us do this research all together. I'm going to document everything, not document necessarily like talking about the spiders, but actually putting it down in writing. Then, as I look at that one on the wall, it's just sending a thrill for me, like one of the spiders which I've seen here. Oh, ooh. Oh God. Please let me know if you are a scientist out there and you've done a research about spiders. Now you've just given me a clue on doing more research on spiders. I want to do it majestically. I want to do it systematically. I know it is a research which has been done with different people, and that's why these documentaries are here for those people who did this. Like you're able to take the videos or no photos, let me say. You're able to take photos of different spiders and putting them out here for people like me to, you know, is my studies. You've done a great job. You have done an amazing great job. So I'm going to do this as a research, then that will make me now draw away from spiders as much as possible. But one thing I've learned is, let me put it out here, like it is a rainy season. It is a rainy season. The rains are not heavy, but it is still a rainy season. And something we know in Africa, rain come with many mosquitoes. Me, I don't know where these mosquitoes normally hide until the time the rain is coming. So, or I don't know whether the eggs are being hatched during rainy season, and so they just grow within seconds, minutes, hours, and then there's so many. But one thing, like where I stay right now, there are so many mosquitoes, and what made me got interested in spiders mostly is when I saw a spider grab a mosquito. Uh, there were so many inside the house, and I was like, there's another way of keeping mosquitoes away. So spiders around you is another way of keeping mosquitoes away. But then I've just realized that it's not good to play with wild animals. Do I call spider wild animals? What category can you put spider in? Because they don't just live in the houses. Spiders don't live in the houses. But if I've just realized that I'm playing with wild animals, keeping a wild animal in my house, keeping a wild insect in my house, that is still an animal, and it is a wild animal. So guys, comment down below and let me know, do I do this research? But I will still do the research about the spiders, because spiders, I used to get scared actually of the spiders until I got used to them being around. But one thing which is so dangerous is having such kind of a spider, and then you go to bed and then it comes and crawl on you, then bites you. Because the pain I went through, well, it wasn't easy. Let me see, can spiders really kill? Can spider bite someone and kills the person? Let me do that research, then I'll get back to you in a short while after I have Google, because I have Google over here and it is making work easy for me. So it is also easy to do the research on the spiders. It's easier. And people have already put the stories of spiders, different stories, including the Facebook. Yeah, I can see there's one for Facebook over here. So they're even asking what are the names of the two wolf spider species. But then let me do the research, and yeah, I can also have something which is written totally different from what these people have put here in the Google. Yes, but let's see. It is interesting. I've never come across somebody writing a book about spiders, different animals. We have seen documentaries of different animals, but something which doesn't cross people's mind naturally is spiders. Snake is interesting. People have done research about many different snake types and the rest. Many different reptiles, many different wild animals. But now when it comes to spider, I didn't know how interesting it is going to get. But until I saw that one on the wall, that is what has triggered me to even, you know, do more research on it. So let me do the research, help me do the research, then comment down below. If you know something about spiders, comment down below and let us learn together. Help me also do this documentary, because maybe you have a new idea about the spiders which nobody else knows, nobody else have seen. Yeah, not even there in the Google. But let me know, guys, let me know. Well, guys, I'm still doing research about the spider, and you know, I wanted to take a lot of time to know more about spider, but this is interesting. So let's do a video one about the spiders. This is very interesting, and it has triggered me even to do the research. So I'm like, let me not procrastinate about this thing. Let me just put it out here because it is something which is a research which is easily done because the Google has it out there. The Google has many different like you're able to just speak out and Google do it for you, just give you an answer straightforward. And you remember, just in a few minutes I've just asked can spider kill, and what my Google is telling me is yes, spider can kill you. Just shortly like that, yes, spider can kill you, but they say it is extremely rare. Really? And what Google says is, while many spiders are venomous, fewer than 100 people die annually from spider bites worldwide. And they say as they rarely bite human and often inject little to no venom. That's amazing and interesting. And the way the bite is so painful. So that is not even a bite. It means maybe the venom. Wow, okay. Ooh. Okay, they say that fatality generally results from several allergic reactions or very rare venom from spiders like funnel webs or widows. So that is another type of a spider. So I've already known that there are different types of spiders, and I know spiders can kill, but in not common. So as we have had, 100 people die annually from spider bites worldwide. That's interesting, and that is amazing. So let me see what Google will tell me. Guys, let's do another research and see what Google is going to tell me. So this is what Google says. What I was doing, I was asking the Google is, what can I do if a spider bites? For example, if a spider bites me, what is the first thing that I need to do, or what can I do? Do I need to rush to the hospital, or what do I need to do? So what Google says is that for most spider bites, clean the area with soap and water. That's the first thing they say. Clean the area with soap and water. Apply cold pack, like just take a pack of ice cube, then put it on that place and use elevation to reduce the swelling. So if it is in your hand, just elevate your hand. If it is in your leg, just elevate your leg to reduce the swelling. So in case in case the bite is like you've been bitten by a venomous spider, you need to go to the hospital because it can cause severe symptoms. So you need to go to seek medical attention. But then the medication which the doctors are supposed to give you, which are common treatment, it include antihistamines. What are those? What are antihistamine drugs? I don't know. I'll see. Mr. Google has it also. It says you need to be given antihistamine and pain relief. But then again, it says keeping the area clean to prevent infection. So where you've been bitten by the spider, make sure it is clean to prevent any other infection. But then, okay, it's getting interesting out here, guys. Don't you think this study is more interesting than what I even thought? So before I even like go and give it some few days to continue being there, because this is the second day, tomorrow will be the third day for it to be there. So this research is getting interesting. So let's continue and see what next. Then we will just end the video. We'll just end the video after maybe doing few research, but then on my own side, I'll be doing more research about the spider. So if you're staying somewhere, like when you know it is rainy season and where you are staying, there are lots of spiders, guys, just take caution. Don't be like me. Don't be like me at all, guys. Do not take that risk like me staying with a spider in the house for this long. Like 2 days in the same place, and I still watch at it, and I don't even want to kill it or make it move somewhere else, or get it scared. Guys, don't be like me. So I'm also learning, because you see, this is something that I just took for granted. But now I'm learning more about spiders, and I don't know why I drew my attention to that place. No, actually what happened is my cousin's son came to my place. They were from Nairobi and they came to Naivasha. As you know, your girl here stays in Naivasha. So my cousin's son came to Naivasha. They came to Naivasha and they came to my place. And so he saw the spider yesterday and he was like, spiders. And I don't know whether he gets scared of spiders. I didn't ask him. That's the honest truth. I didn't ask him whether he gets scared of the spiders, but his reaction showed somebody who gets scared of the spider. So I was like, oh, spider. And I was like, yeah, it has been there for quite some time and it is my security for insects. I didn't even know why I was telling him it is, it feeds on insects. So like, I don't get mosquito bite. No, that is not the whole thing. Oh yeah, that is how the story started. That is how the story started. Then it was telling me like the way at our place yesterday there was so many mosquitoes. So many mosquitoes. Then I told him, I already have mosquito repellent over here in this wall. So he saw it today in the morning, and I'm doing this video, I'm doing this recording at 7 o'clock at night, same day, 7 o'clock at night, just today, because this video is going to be out today. Today, immediately I'm done with you guys, I'm going to post it out there. So I was telling him something which I don't know, because I've never even done research about the spider and the mosquito. It's only that I saw it once attacking a mosquito, and so I don't know how it came to my mind that spiders feed on mosquitoes. So if they're there, the mosquitoes are not there in plenty. I'm not sure about that, guys. Let me just put it out there as a disclaimer. I didn't know, and I'm not sure about it. So don't put spiders in your house saying that it's going to protect you from mosquitoes. Don't do that, because mosquitoes, they're not repellent to mosquitoes. They don't repel mosquitoes. They only take them and feed on them. So you can imagine, if you have so many mosquitoes, by the time the spider reaches them, it has taken them a lot of time. Or before it throws the venom to the mosquito, I don't know. How they do it, do not ask me. So I was just like, it just triggered me to do a research on mosquitoes. I mean, on spiders. And so that is what I'm actually doing. So let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Well, Google has been good to me. Kind and faithful. Thank you. Whoever came up with Google, thank you so much. You've done me a great work, and you've made my work a easy thing. So I'm just collecting samples here and there. So another overview, let me say it like that, another overview about what to do when a spider bites you. It says, seek immediate medical attention for a spider bite if you experience severe pain or difficulty in breathing. So that means a spider can also bring for you difficulty in breathing. Hey, where? or sometimes is also causing, that is what it says. It says sometimes it also causes muscle cramping or fast heart rate. Wow. So we are told watch for signs and infections. Hey, it can be fever. Like I told you guys, I felt like I was having a malaria at that time. And when I went to the hospital, the doctor told me it was a bite of a spider. So it can cause fever or a growing discolored blister, which can be blue or purple or black, often associated with venoms. Venom bites like the black widow or brown recluse. Recluse. Okay, that is also a type of a spider. So, oh, okay. It is interesting. I didn't know how amazing it is to learn about these things. I really didn't know how amazing it is to learn about these things. So for dark-skinned people like us, we might not experience these kinds of things. If you are dark and you have a red patches somewhere, how visible is it going to be? Like me, I'm dark in color. I'm generally dark in color, but then now if I find a spider bite, will it even be visible? Because black and red. So for somebody to turn red like this, black and red. Huh, okay. Very interesting. Guys, I hope we've learned something new, something intriguing, something little about spiders, but still my research continues. So even if I'm going to post this video out there, my research still continues, and my first video will still be here, and I'll still connect it with my research. Like I want to know how long that spider can stay over there. Because, oh, let me just also Google that one. How long can a spider stay in a place like the one which is there on that wall, and see how it goes. Guys, I'm sure you will thank me later. You will thank me later. Huh? I'm doing this research for you guys. It's not an easy thing to do a research for you guys. So thank me later. At least you will also be interested. I'm sure there's somebody who will watch this video and get interested and do research about the spider or something else. So it is astonishing and it is amazing. How my mind, I thought like spiders grow very fast, but this is new to me. So they say most spiders take several months to over a year to reach adulthood. So meaning the lifespan of a spider is a bit longer. That one we're going to see it. First and foremost, it says that it takes several months, even a year, for it to reach adulthood, with the typical house spider maturing in 30 to 100 days. Guys, huh? 30 to 100 days. And they say that they grow by shedding off their skeleton like 5 to 10 times throughout their lifespan. This is interesting. Wow. So it starts as spiderlings. That is from the egg. When it emerges from the egg. The eggs are called egg sacs. After a few weeks, then it is spiderlings. Okay. That is another interesting thing. Let us continue, guys. I'm not the one who wrote this, but let's just continue, guys. I just want to know more about spiders. So, guys, don't blame me. And don't skip this video. Watch it to the end because it is just amazing for me. So, I just wanted to know also, how long does spiders live? If it takes almost an year to reach an adulthood. So how long is their lifespan? Their lifespan, and especially the ones which normally comes to our houses. So they say common house spiders typically live for 1 to 2 years, and they're done with their lives. Hey, okay. And then one thing which it says is though some female can live for several years in protected and disturbed environments. It goes ahead and says, while male often die in the autumn after mating, female tend to live longer, sometimes surviving for over 2 years while producing multiple eggs. Egg sacs, let me put it straight, egg sacs. Wow. That's new to me. I didn't know it lives that long or in such a short time. 2 years. Okay, fine. Let's continue. So they say that most house spiders live for 1 to 2 years, but the night conditions can extend their lifespan. Hey, I told you guys, it is a deep research. It is a deep research. So they says that food supply, temperature, and shelter all play a role on how long it's going to survive. Wow. I'm looking at Australian Museum, and Australian Museum in Darlinghurst, Australia. Someone who wrote a document and said that the Australian Museum, originally known as the Colonial Museum and Sydney Museum, is a state public museum in Sydney. And what it says that some spiders have lifespan of less than a year. I don't know whether it, okay, let me just read the whole thing and you can comment down below. I'm not even sure whether I am getting it right, but that is what they say in Australian Museum. They say that some spiders have lifespan of less than 1 year, while others may live for up to 20 years. But there's a waiver over there. Spiders face many dangers that reduce their chances of living. Now, let me get this straight. I've actually been mixing generally, but guys, I'll do a comprehensive. Maybe I'll write a book or I'll write a story about spiders with all the data which I'm collecting. I might decide to write all about spiders. So, hey, these spiders brought so many things actually. So, I was actually just thinking, when should you actually seek medical care? When should you go for medical treatment? Because already we've been told that if you get a spider bite or if you are bitten by a spider, what you need to do is take warm water with a soap, then wash that place, then take a ice cube or a cloth and put ice on it, then put it where you've seen the spider bite. But now, when do I really think that I need to go to the hospital? Because now when we are talking about spider bites and the venom in it, somebody wouldn't wish to be in the category of amongst the 100 people who dies in a year worldwide about the spider bite. So you just need to take precaution. But now, what do you do when you get that kind of a spider bite after doing that, or if you find you're having severe symptoms? First and foremost, let's see what are those symptoms. Some of them I've actually mentioned, like trouble in breathing. Actually, they say even swallowing sometimes become a problem. They say some of the severe symptoms such as rapid heart rate, which I also told you about, intense nausea when feeling like vomiting, and also headache. Those are severe symptoms, which in fact, if you experience them, just go to the hospital immediately. And actually also tell the doctor that you are bitten by a spider, because if you go without telling the doctors, they will treat you for something else. And you know how medical systems are. And you see, it's not their fault. Sometimes it's because they don't even know what is taking place. So if you give them a clue of, this is what has happened to me, I've just been bitten by a spider, so they know what they are treating. So you need to go to hospital once you're bitten by a spider and you find those symptoms. Guys, do not say that I never told you. At least I'm doing a research over here, and at least I'm letting you be aware of these things, you know. They also say that severe muscle pain can occur, or cramping. This is something which you need to take precaution about. And also they say, they talk about something about tissue necrosis. I don't know what that is in medical terms. I don't know what that is in biology. I do not know, and I'm not even ready to do that research about that one. If you want me to do a research about it, comment down below. You can also do a research about it and let others know about it in the comment section. So as we continue, they say that signs of tissue necrosis, actually I think that should be the last one. So if you experience those kinds of things, you need to seek medical care. And when to contact a doctor or seek urgent care is when the symptom is worsening. No, me, I don't, hey, I wait until the symptom worsens. No, guys, I won't wait. Personally, no, I won't wait until the symptom worsens. Now that I know what it is, I will not wait. And then they say that signs of infections like redness, streaks, swelling, or yellow discharge, which is a pus around the bitten area, and then bites on children or the elderly, especially those people. You just need to take care of that, like with immediately. You don't need even to wait. For the kids and adults, if you suspect it is a spider bite, please, guys, so I've already told you guys about what to do, and now at least now we are aware, at least we have a little knowledge about the spider. So I don't know whether I should be keep on observing that spider, or after having that knowledge, I don't know whether I should just kill it. But guys, comment down below. If you tell me to destroy it right now, I will. But for the animal lovers, you will tell me do not dare. For those people who love animals, will tell me do not dare kill it, just leave it there. Guys, I don't know what to do. Comment down below and let me see. If I get your comments, I'll be so happy. But that's the research I've done for today, and that is all I could do for now. So thank you so much for watching, and I am so grateful and so glad that you've watched this. Maybe now that I know about this, I might be also doing research on few here and there animals. Or guys, what do you think I should be doing? What do you think I should be giving you? What kind of content? Do you love this one? If you love it, guys, let me know. Let me know. Comment down below, guys. Comment down below. Thank you so much, and may God bless you from where you are.